In this video, I want to review the H2ofloss toothbrush. This is actually a smart toothbrush, so it comes with some unique features that I haven't seen in a typical electric toothbrush before, so I just thought I'd share that with you and also demonstrate how to use it. If you're actually interested in this product, I'll put a link in the description below for you to check out for yourself. When you first get this product and unbox it, it's going to first come with the toothbrush base, and then it will give you two different heads for you to attach to it, and then it will also come with a charging cable and the instructions. The toothbrush comes with a curved design to make it more ergonomic and easier to hold. And then this toothbrush also comes with 6 different modes, and to be able to cycle through those modes, you just have to long press that button, and then the light will turn green and it will automatically start cycling through the different modes. Once you've found the mode that you like, you just release the button and then it will automatically save that mode that it's in, and then it will remember it for the next time you use your toothbrush again. When it comes to the 6 different modes, I feel like 3 of the modes are your normal standard bristle vibrations on low, medium, or high, but then the other 3 modes, I feel like it also incorporates a rotational movement and a side-to-side movement of the actual toothbrush head, which is pretty unique, and I haven't seen that before on any other electric toothbrushes. And I feel like the pattern that it goes through looks like it should clean your teeth better than just the normal vibrating bristles. To actually use this toothbrush is a little bit unique because it is a smart toothbrush, so that means you actually don't have to touch any buttons to operate it. Basically, when it's sitting on your counter, it's going to be powered off, and then once you pick it up, it will turn on the toothbrush, and then once the bristles touch your teeth, it will automatically turn on the cleaning mode that you last had it in. And then you can just go about brushing your teeth, but then as soon as you remove the toothbrush from your teeth, it will automatically turn off again. And then it will just power off the toothbrush after a certain duration as well. So it's basically a button-free toothbrush that you have. When you're brushing your teeth, this white light will turn blue, and then it will pause every 30 seconds to let you switch whatever section of your mouth that you're cleaning, so that way you have time to clean your bottom right teeth, upper right teeth, left upper teeth, and left bottom teeth for a total of a 2-minute brushing cycle, and then this will automatically power off after that. This also comes with pressure sensitivity, so if you're brushing your teeth too aggressively, the light will turn red and it will beep to let you know to ease up a little bit. The toothbrush is rated IPX7, so you can fully submerge this in water and it's going to be fine. So that basically covers how to use this and all the features of this toothbrush, but now I want to share what it's actually like using it. So for me, I really enjoy the toothbrush head. I feel like it comes with a lot of bristles. I also like the firmness of them, and I like the coverage that they provide and just kind of the design and shape of it. I feel like it gets my teeth really clean. The design of the actual toothbrush itself and the weight of it feels comfortable as well, and it's just a simple white color, so nothing flashy, but it's very simple and I like it. This did take me a little bit of time getting used to, since there are no buttons on it, because there is a slight delay to it when you start brushing your teeth versus when you stop. So if you pull the toothbrush out of your mouth too quickly, it could still be on for a split second and get your bathroom a little bit messy. So you just kind of have to change the way you brush your teeth a little bit to just get used to this. It's just a different experience. Something that's kind of hit or miss for me is this pressure sensitive button spot. Sometimes it works great, but other times I feel like I touch it and it doesn't work properly. And so I feel like if it just had a normal button there, it would operate a little bit more smoothly. I know they were trying to make a sleek, smart design with this and have it be like pressure sensitive, but there are times that I touch it and it doesn't do the operation. Like I'm trying to shut it off right now. There it goes. But I was touching it like 5 times before it actually shut off, so that's one thing that I'm just meh. But I actually don't hit that button too often because it's in the mode that I currently like, and I just have to pick it up for it to automatically turn on, and then once I start brushing my teeth, it turns on as well, so I actually don't hit that button too often. When it comes to the actual brushing of my teeth, I feel like this does a good job at actually cleaning. I like the mode that not only moves the bristles, but it also moves the toothbrush head back and forth and rotates a little bit. That's my favorite in like the medium setting, and I feel like it does an excellent job at actually cleaning my teeth. So for my overall thoughts, for someone like me, I don't necessarily need all these smart features, especially in a toothbrush. The time it takes me to hit a physical button and brush my teeth with a normal electric toothbrush is just fine for me. I don't have a problem with it, but this is just a little bit cooler, and I feel like my favorite thing about it is it actually does a good job at cleaning my teeth, so that's like my favorite thing about it. All these smart features though are kind of just so-so for me. I could get by without them, but they are kind of cool to have, so there it is. How to use your Smart Sonic toothbrush quick guide. Before first use, fully charge the toothbrush using the Type-C cable. Install the brush head by aligning it with the handle and pushing it in firmly. Grip to start, remove to stop. Smart motion control for effortless brushing. Press and hold to switch between 6 cleaning modes to suit your needs. Built-in 2-minute timer with 30-second zone reminders for a complete clean. DuPont bristles fade in color to remind you when it's time to replace. Smart oral care starts with this brush. Thanks for watching. Order yours now.